Hello, brave warriors and loving caretakers. I'm your host, TBI Journey, back at it again with a brand new video. This week's freebie looks like this, but with all due respect, I ran out of paper. Let's not stress. This is the freebie section that we're going to focus on this week, so print your freebie and let's get started. For anyone that's new and hasn't been following my journey, my filming camera that I would normally use to film my videos broke, so I'm gonna have to wait until the next video in order to get you guys footage of me filling out the new freebie that we're touching on this week. So for now, we're just gonna get right into it, and I'm gonna start with cleaning up the kitchen. Let's do this and flash forward. I'm always so excited when I make shiny sinks. They look so pretty. So let's go ahead and disinfect everything and make sure that we have all the grease and grime up. In a little bit here, I'm going to show you like what I've picked up. It kind of creeped me out watching this bag. This is kind of like the stuff of my nightmares. I think it's clean, and then I go and I do this, and it's like, what did I do? Make sure you're emptying your garbage during the holiday season. Here I am filling up the trash so that I can get it out of the house as quickly as possible. If you've made it this far, you're definitely a warrior, and I'm so proud of you. Leave a star emoji down below in the comments. Now we're going to go ahead and take a broom all the way around the kitchen. Stuff from up above we've knocked down below, and I'm sure there's a bunch of grime down here. Aw, it's so pretty. Let's move on to mopping now. I personally am just going to go ahead and use a damp sponge mop to clean this, but just before guests come, I will definitely go through and use a cleanser. So we're going to go ahead and throw a mop down here and get some of the grime up. The next day, I went to go and prep the guest bedroom. That bed looks so pretty. The next day, I went to go and make the throne sparkle. That is a beautiful throne. Possibly this week's freebie doesn't work for you, so I'm currently in the process of working on another freebie, so keep your eye out for this one. I did put this up as a sneak peek, so maybe this one will help you out. Stay tuned for this freebie coming up real soon. Because understanding is the first step towards change.